I continue. Keko ya de no. Afafa no ne no tara. Ye ni no dewele. Anala ya nike. We na aso no biko bia no. Ebe oso no no binye no. We na akpoku mo Finland. Eluwele mo ni isi. Because no ndo bia ka ayi anyị kpọrọ mmụọ a n'Igbo were bịa mmụọ ndị mbụ na ndị egede mmụọ na-emela anyị ife mmụọ niile a n'Igbo jiri were dị ile maka na a n'Igbo dị ile na Biafra niile because na-ekwu okwu a n'Igbo ma ị na-asụ Igbo ma ị na ha asụ Igbo onye Igbo ka ewu ha fụchazie na anaziela ebe kekọwasịazie ya ma na asị one ndị ụmụ Igbo pụta anyị niile ya pụta kama na asụsụ ozi ihe kewara anyị mana ofu nne ofu nna so ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa ma ana m akpọ mmụọ Finland si ya biko ha bịa anyị na-ekene fa n'ụzọ ha mepeela anyị ụmụ ndị mbụ na ndị egede anyị na-ekene ha n'ihi m nabata ha nabatara anyị wee na-asa ha biko ha bịa were ọnọdụ ha bịa mee meeting with ndị mmụọ ndị mbụ na ndị egede anyị kpọrọ were bịa mmụọ na-emela anyị ife anyị kpọrọ were bịa ona anyị si wee nọkọ anyị nwanwụ mmadụ wee uche ọṅụ wee na-asị na anyị ya na Biafra ya abịa ka ha nwe na onwe ha nọkọkwasịkwa yes na Biafra ya abịa ebe mmụọ dị Finland nyere anyị aka sị ka anyị bịa na befa wee nọ ọnọdụ a otu ahụ ka anyị niile na ndị Finland si wee nwekwa kọntakt otu anyị na ndị Finland si nwee kọntakt ka ndị mmụọ ndị mbụ na ndị egede anyị kpọrọ bịa na mmụọ ndị mbụ na ndị egede Finland ya esi nwee kọntakt ka anyị na-agba izu ka fa na-agbakwa izu anyị wee na-ayọ Chukwu okike abịa ma bikos anyị kpọchara na anyị akpọ ekekele ụwa bikos onye nwenwe ife niile nya nwenyere anyị ndụ na-arụ isi ike ọ na-ekpe ekpere na m asa na m aya ụzọ ife na-abụọ kala ha ụzọ ife na-abụọ n'isi unu niile n'isi m nwa n'isi ezinụlọ m n'isi ezinụlọ unu niile ogologo ndụ na-alụ isi ike maka na onye ọnwụ na-anọ ndụ onye ọnwụ na-nwere ala isi ike ife ndị ọzọ ya ezuru ihe sọnsọ ya so ụmụ Chukwu ana m ekene unu wee na-asị otito mbunye enu ọjịje mma wee dịla afa Chukwu okike abịa ma ise gịnị all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. In short, may we use 1 minute. Oya akali o nwere ife na-enye m joy natina I'm short ọkwa na mmọnwụ na-ekwu obodo la na-ekwu ndị be sị na ife na-awa ọkwụra ife akwụderie unu n'anya ka ha la ndị na-ejela anyị ije Biafra nwekwa onye zoro ezo ihu onye ọnwụ napụtara ọbịa nweghị nke dị ka elili eji eke ọgọdọ enekọtara m anya onye ọnwụ na-agbara dimkpa anyị adịghị ka ndị DOS enwe ha identity o nwere onye ma onye fanwụ mana ọ na-agbagwoju m anya ndị na-efolo ha na-ekwe n'ihe ha kwuru ka ihe esi na-eso onye ịmara onye ọnwụ ọwụrụ nwoke ịma ọwụrụ nwaanyị ịma biko sị na nwoke nwere ike ịza afa nwaanyị nwere ike ịza afa nwoke so ọ ka mma na anyị sowere ndị anyị ma ndị fawụ na anyị na-eso ndị anyị ama ndị fawụ thank you Muchukwu okike abịa ma
Okay, let's settle down. Settle. We're about to start. Settle down, please. And I have a question for us all. I have a question. Where are the people that were here yesterday? The hall is not full. Where's everybody? Where's everybody? Gone home. Some are sleeping. Who is sleeping? Who paid airfare to come and sleep? Okay, please. Okay, please.
We are going to begin very soon. We are waiting for our Prime Minister to join us so that we can have the national anthem. Thank you. May we rise, please? Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ. He's not paying attention. DJ, please, this hall was actually intended for 1,000 people, so the music might be too loud for 1,000 guests. So please, if you can make it in a way that we can be able to hear the lyrics. Thank you very much. But now, let's have the national anthem. Let's keep standing. Thank you.
He BIAFRA.
Please remain standing for the Finnish anthem. Still remain standing, please.
DJ, can you please check for Finlandia? Thank you. The anthem is called Finlandia. If the technician can please help him to check that. Thank you very much. DJ, hold on, please. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, everybody. So, how did you like yesterday? All right. If yesterday was great, today is going to be awesome. And we will start by calling on the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, His Excellency Simon Ekpa Njoku.
Yeah. Biafra Republic. Biafra Republic. Everyone can get seated. Welcome to the day 2. Welcome to the day 2 of the Biafra Self-Referendum Convention in Helsinki, Finland. I don't know, I think some people are still sleeping in their hotel. Yes, they are going to miss this another historic moment this morning. But there are a lot of historic moments coming today. Please have our Ambazonia delegate arrived the hall yet? Not yet. All right, we're expecting them. This morning, we are going to start because we have activated the Biafra Charter, from which the foundation of the Biafra liberation starts. And for that reason, this morning, we are going to officially inaugurate the de facto government of Biafra in homeland. The process goes like this. I am going to call names of those that will be heading the different 32 states of Biafra plus plus our Ebube. Ebube is not regarded as FCT. We don't have anything as FCT according to the charter. We don't have any federal capital territory. What we have is Ebube, just like the Washington, D.C. So anytime you hear Ebube, we are referring to the capital of Biafra. But we're not going to be calling it Federal Capital Territory, but it's Ebube. So once anybody mentions Ebube, you know we are talking about Capital Territory. Like in the US, you hardly can hear anybody say we are going to our Federal Capital Territory. America practices federalism, yet there is nothing like Federal Capital Territory but Washington, D.C. So in Biafra, we have Ebube. I want to start in a little bit order. I will start with the Ikemba State. Ikemba State capital is Oka. Today, as the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, Biafra Republic Government in Exile is today activating the de facto government in the homeland. And today, we are appointing General Nkwoka, Major General Nkwoka, as the sole administrator of the Ikemba State. To be deputized by Engineer Vincent. The Secretary to the State Government of Ikemba is Colonel Michael. Aba State, the sole administrator of Aba State is Mr. Mba. Mr. Mba will be deputized by Mazi James. I want all of you to understand that as we are calling the representative of each state, we have counties. We don't have local government in Biafra. What we have is counties. As you all know, Biafra is confederating state. Confederation means everybody, you're on your own. Nobody is going to complain of being marginalized or anything like a exclusive list in the federal level. We are adopting the most brilliant democratic structure that we have seen doing wonders in many places, like in Dubai, in United Emirates, including those who tied us down in the United Kingdom. Some of you do not know that the United Kingdom comprises of 5 countries or so, thereabout. And they all have different laws. They have different parliament, but when it comes to us, they say, no, you are not a human being. We are liberating ourselves by force. I want you to understand that some of us are into politics in our different countries of residence. In Finland, I am actively in politics, and I know how it works. They tell you, Mwapoda, you have seen him. They say I am a Perima. I accepted it. We have Alanso State. Alanso State sole administrator is Mazi Ezejiofo. Mazi Ezejiofo will be deputized by Mazi Isiozo, Nwada Isiozo, sorry. Secretary to the State of Alanso is Mazi Richard Ike. I want you to understand that Nwada is a deputy sole administrator of Alanso. There are many members of the cabinet and representatives in Alanso. I think they are the largest. We're not going to go through all the members. We just call the sole administrator, the deputy, or the secretary, or we call just 3 representatives from each state. Anioma State, the Biafra de facto government in Homeland, we have the sole administrator, Dr. Godswill. Dr. Goswell will be deputized by Mazi Nwunye Timothy. We have Asari State, Akoko Toro. Asari State sole administrator is Mazi Joseph Okogba. We have the Bond State. The Bond State sole administrator is Marlene Tubo. We have the Delta Ughelli. The Delta Ughelli sole administrator is Mwada Linda. To be deputized by Jude. As you can see, we started with equality. In Biafra, there is no this nonsense African whatever that is not acceptable in the modern world. Women are moving mountains, as you can see. They said I surrounded myself with women. Today they have seen the result of surrounding yourself with women. I'm very, very proudly surrounding myself with women because the result is awesome. Ebonyi State, Abakaliki, the sole administrator of Ebonyi State de facto government is Mazi Augustine. Mazi Augustine will be deputized by Mazi Mweze. I hope they are watching. We have Eda State, the de facto government of Biafra. Eda State sole administrator is Peter Amarachi. We have APA Yenegua. APA State, capital Yenegua. We have the sole administrator, Bakar Fakari. Deputy to be deputized by Mazi Linus Okoro. The secretary to the state, Mazi Dennis Okeleke. Ezani State Biafra de facto government will be the sole administrator is Dan Alia. To be deputized by Nwada Ugochi. We have Ebube. Ebube. The sole administrator of Ebube is Linda Obieze. To be deputized by Ngonadi. The secretary to Ebube, Kano Gloria. Deputy Secretary to Ebube, Nwoga Chukwuma. Ebonyi State, Biafra de facto government. The sole administrator is Atta. Ecom State, Biafra de facto government. The sole administrator is Patrick Ikpe. Etata. Let me mention the name very well so that he will understand. Patrick Etata. Itai, Anang State, capital in Ekpene. The sole administrator is Boniface Idungafa. To be deputized by CSP. CSP Akpan. He is not bringing the Nigeria CNC to our Biafra. The secretary is Mazi Chris Patrick. Deputy secretary is Esther Ediet Obot. And of course, there are many members of this particular state government, which we don't need to go into detail mentioning them. Iwuroha State, capital Iguacha. His Royal Majesty, sole administrator. Ikumisia State, Umuahia. We have Pastor Alfred. To be deputized by Ebulono. Secretary to the state government, Johnson. Izon Ama State. This is part of Ondo/Izon, the state of Biafra. We are dragging everybody along. For those who tell you to show the map of Biafra, what I am reading here today is part of the map. And I think very soon we're going to flash the map on the screen. We have our map. I want everybody to understand, the Nigerian government to understand, the world to understand, we are not dragging what does not belong to us. Before Nigeria were divided into 6 zones that were not in like south, south, southeast. And it is time we begin to look into their eyes and tell them to tell us where the hell they get south, south in the map. In all of that, it doesn't exist academically. It does not exist geographically. It doesn't exist anywhere. And they always go out there to the world, to meetings, to the UN, and they begin to present Nigeria, that Nigeria have what you call South-South. That is an embarrassment. It's an insult. It's an insult to professors that are here. It's an insult to doctors that are here. It's an insult to all of you that are educated and have something doing in your life that are here. Of course, we understand it doesn't matter to the nomadic people. But it matters to us because we embraced civilization and education. So it matters to us. However, we are not dragging that which does not belong to us. And like I said, everything will be settled by the referendum. Those who don't want to go with us are free to go, including those in our families. We will happily pack their bags and they go and join them. The map of Biafra is there, and it is also subject to amendment because a lot of people don't know what is happening in Finland. After this Finland, some people are going to, go into their bed, cry very well, come back, and begin to make some of you friends. So it is subject to amendment. I remember a lot of our brothers and sisters who are always when you tell them Biafra. Today, they are dragging us. We did not say our name there. What is going on? I said, don't worry, your name is going to be included in due time. But for now, we are going with those who doesn't make problem to us. All right, so Izom Ama part of Biafra administrator is Emma Akpos. To be deputized by Kennedy. We have Coco State, capital in Sapele. The sole administrator is Elder Joseph. To be deputized by Osayende. Secretary of the State is Uwagu. Odimegu State, capital Uga. Odimegu State sole administrator is Chief Uzegu. To be deputized by Ndobisi Mazi. The Secretary of Odumegu State is Mazi Izuchukwu. And there are many other representatives in Odumegu State which we don't need to go into mentioning their names because of time. We have Ogbo State, Obasi, no, capital. Mazi Iro Agbai is the sole administrator of Ogbo State. To be deputized by Mazi Amaogo. Secretary to the State of Ogbo in the federal government will be Mazi Nwosu. Ogoja State. I know Ogbaji is here. Yes, he's there. Ogoja State, the capital, Obudu. The sole administrator of Ogoja State is Iyaji Emmanuel. Deputy sole administrator is Mr. Adie Paul. Secretary to the state government of Ogoja State in Biafra is Osakpa. Then we have other members of the state executive, which we don't need to mention here. Ohabuenyi State, Obolafo, capital. We have the state administrator, Obonna Livinus. To be deputized by Mazi Ikechukwu. the Secretary to the State, Ekpa Kano. And then we have I know all of you will call your attention. This one will call your attention. Are they going to change my state to Ohabwenyi? They were looking for my relatives. So maybe they have found one here. All right. And then we have other executive, the state executive. In fact, Ohabwenyi has the largest executive in this government at this point. I'm not going to mention them yet. Ohachukwu State, Ezambo, capital. The sole administrator, Mazi Okpoto. The deputy, Mazi Ozoemena. And the secretary, Mazi Monde. The deputy secretary, Mazi Okwo. And there are other state executives that we are not mentioning here. Okigwe State, capital, Okigwe. The sole administrator is Mazi Okanwa. And there are other members of the state executive that we are not mentioning here. Omambala State. Omambala State sole administrator, Mazi or Chief Ubanago. To be deputized by Mazi Chibuzo. Olu State, Olu. Where Biafra is going to come from.
Biafra! Biafra! Biafra!
Biafra, 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 Biafra. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Olu State, as you all know, Olu has paid one of the biggest prize of Biafra for being Biafra. And so we need to give a special accolade to Olu. It's a spiritual thing that people should understand. I will tell you today, Biafra is coming from Olu. Sometimes they say, why is it that it's Olu that this fight is happening? Fight is happening everywhere. But those fighting against Biafrans in Olu knows the reason better than you asking that question. And we're not going to allow them. We will win them in Olu and then spread to other part of Biafra. Where Biafra was dealt with, or were dealt with during the war, is where we are patching today. And not just patching, we're not managing. We have defeated Nigeria in those areas. We have defeated Nigeria in the blockade against Biafra during the war. It was Ambazonia. Today, Ambazonians are here with us. They are not just here with us, but they are here to make sure that that kind of blockade never happen again. So we have the sole administrator of Olu, Oberensi Nemebike. Chief Agonsi. Let me tell you one thing is this. You can't defeat us with arms and ammunition. And we are putting it to Nigeria government. If anything happened to any of the people we are mentioning their name here today, believe me, all you from your local government chairman down to your state government and to your government structure, we will declare war until you release them. So let nobody think that after hearing this name here, you go and start molesting them with DSS. Believe me, we will change the game for you. And we know why. We know why we have not changed this game up to this point. But believe me, after today, if anything happened to anybody in Biafra land that we mentioned their name here, we are going to change the game. And the game we are going to change will be a different Ido Akanon. All of you will pay the price. You know that we don't just make mouth. Before, they took us for granted. I believe they are not anymore. Yesterday, they finished their meeting very late. They say, since we have good ties now with the European Union, can we approach the European Union? And so that European Union can now talk to Finland to see how to stop me. I watched their meeting in the mirror when I went home. You know, one thing is that I know they are watching me now. I can tell you that some of them is even sick as I'm talking to you. The shock of yesterday made some of them to be in their hospital bed as I'm speaking now. The truth is that they will never survive what is coming. We will be giving them heart attack every day. Any day they open their WhatsApp, they open their Facebook, Twitter, we are going to be giving them heart attack. I want them to understand that what we are doing is self-defense in a grand style. The grand style is that you have been killing us for many years, and now we say no. We can defend ourselves. Enough is enough. And in this self-defense, we are going to touch places. And believe me, we're going to touch sensitive places, because those sensitive places are what is giving them the impetus to kill us. So, the deputy to Olo is Mazi Uchenna Anthony. The secretary to Olo, Mazi Albert. Then we have Orashi. Of course, we have other state members. We have Orashi State, Amoku. Some of you do not understand what Orashi represents. You know there is something called Orashi River, right? It's one of the most spiritual rivers in Biafra land. Some of them went to get Orashi River to bewitch Simon Ekpa. It backfired. And I know they are watching me. Even those who went to get that water, they are watching me today. But after that, some people begin to develop MP at their back. I know they will never try it again. Orashi State, sole administrator is Mazi Izuchukwu Solomon. One thing these Nigeria terrorist agents don't know is that Biafra is a spiritual land. And we happen to know our land. Our land knows us. I was watching them yesterday in the mirror. They said they resolved to go to Turkey to hire fighters. Yes. So in the coming weeks, we will see foreign mercenaries in Biafra land. And you know what I tell them? I tell them, if you who are born in Nigeria or in the Niger area could not defeat us, is this somebody from Turkey? I'm making a very big mistake. We know our land and our land knows us. What I'm telling you will start to manifest in a matter of weeks to time. You're going to see they will all die in Biafra land. It is not a crime to ask for freedom. It is not a crime to ask for self-referendum. It is not a crime to ask for the opportunity to live and be alive. It is the right, unalienable right of everybody in this world. And one thing I want to tell you people today is that don't panic whenever they come with all this, their rhetoric of this and that. We know what we are doing. Anybody who thinks we are doing something otherwise, they should come and confront us. We are going to make sure that we are not paying price anymore for one Nigeria. It is going to end. And the end is starting from this de facto government. We have Owerri State. You know, it's the same. Owerri State, capital Owerri. Owerri State sole administrator is Nwogo Kenneth. The deputy administrator is Mazi Fabian Chibu. The secretary to Owerri State is Reverend Ogweri. And then we have Kia State. This one passed me. The capital is Eket. The sole administrator is Mr. John M.M. To be deputized by Apostle Osukpon Assam. The Secretary of the State is Mr. Udem Ekwere. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Biafrans, delegation from all over the world represented here today, may I present to you the Biafra de facto government Minister of State, Dr. Dozo. Bayelsa State, sole administrator, NNE Ezibodo. And then now we go into the proper voting to government of the people mentioned in this particular document. All of them will be affirmed by the delegation from all over the world, which is you. So the next is, I'm calling on Professor Chioma to come on stage. We are going to vote the adoption of the mentioned individuals into the de facto government of Biafra, homeland. It is going to be a democratic process by all of you, and I know that every country in Europe is being represented here. Every state in the United States, at least most of the states in the United States is being represented here. United Kingdom is here. Australia, stand up. I want to give you a special accolade. All the way from Australia. All the way from Australia. United States, stand up, please. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You can have a seat. I want the world to know those delegations that are here. They are not just people from Europe. I want Europeans, those delegations from Europe, to stand up. All right, you can have a seat, you can have a seat. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So what it means is that every continent has delegation here. We are not going to Africa because we know what Nigeria is doing to our people in Africa. And I want you to understand that Nigeria passport is not a legal means of identification in Finland. So many people were returned back as they were coming to this convention with Nigeria passport. Nigeria is a fraud. The people who believe in Nigeria are fraudulent. Nigeria believe in forgery. There are scammers. There are Yahoo. They have scammed people in Finland, and we have stopping them. And many of them have been deported because of criminal activities in Finland. We don't condone any crime here. So once you come here, we fish you out, you go back. We want people who will come here to contribute and live honorably, like many of us here. So Nigerians, those who believe in Nigeria, are criminals. This is just a fact. UK is Europe, right? Okay. Okay. All right, UK. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. You know, yeah. Thank you very much. You know, it is quite interesting to see how agitated people from United Kingdom can be. They are not joking with their own freedom, and they're right. Yeah, you know, honestly, this is really unbelievable. The United Kingdom spirit have entered all of you. You want to be free anywhere you are, including in Finland. All right, can we see delegation from Canada, please stand up. Wow. Great. I know that some people will feel cheated because there are countries that are more than others here. So Germany is one of them. As you can see, their body is itching them. Yeah. So we are not going to go country by country. We know that you are more in number, Germany. Yes. But honestly, I must appreciate all of you, especially those who came all the way from the United States, from Canada, from United Kingdom. Even though we have separated from you, you cross the border and come here. Yes. All right. So we are going into voting. The voting is, do we adopt the de facto government and the representative in Biafra land or not? Thank you. And after that, I'll come back.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to vote. And while we are getting ready to vote, may I call on Mazi Richard Asonze. He has a number for the Prime Minister. Richard Asonze.
Hello? Okay. All hail Biafra. Please, I have a limit time, so I have to make it a little bit snappy. But this special number, I made it for our Prime Minister. Because I don't know what to say, but I must say something anyway. I started preparing this song after I came back from work. And I wrote it, but they told me it's too late to scream it on board, but I have to sing it. But I have to take the tune of the music. So I will start from here. Lord, I want to be remembered as I want to sing a song for Simon Eber, who was willing to lay down his life, do his will, no matter what it costs. I am singing for the blind man who can see and I'm out salvation through my son. I am singing for the deaf man who can see the light in him and call for BIAFRA. There are times he was tempted. Stop this struggle, trouble all around. There are times we call, say BIAFRA. He said, no one else can sing this song for you. I am singing for the blind man who can see about salvation through my son. I am singing for the deaf man who can see the light in him and call for BIAFRA. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. As you see the light in him, as you see the truth in him, and call for BIAFRA. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. As you see the light in him, as you see the truth in him, and call for BIAFRA. There are times he was tempted. Stop this struggle, trouble all around. There are times he called BIAFRA. He said, no one else can sing this song for you. I am singing for the blind man who can hear about salvation through my son. I am singing for the deaf man who can see the light in him and call for BIAFRA. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. As you see the light in him, as you see the light in him, and call for BIAFRA. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. Live for BIAFRA, down for martyrs. As you see the truth in him, as you see the light in him, and call for BIAFRA. For BIAFRA, down for martyrs. Live for Biafra. Down for Maras. As you see the light in him, as you see the truth in him, and call for Biafra. Amen. One. Amen. One. No, it's okay. I'm getting the sound only. The second one is coming. God will never lay on you load heavy to carry. Never put you in the river that you cannot cross. Never try you out with evil. Never lay on you load heavy to carry. Never lay on you load too heavy to carry. God will never lay on you load too heavy to carry. Never put you in the river that you cannot cross. Never try you out with evil. Never lay on you load too heavy to carry. Never lay on you load too heavy to carry. He will never lay on you load too heavy to carry. Never put you in the river that you cannot cross. Never try you out with evil. Never lay on you load too heavy to carry. Never lay on you load too heavy to carry. With God, all things are possible. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Oh, with God, all things are possible. Blessed be the name of the Lord. With God, all things are possible. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Oh, with God, all things are possible. Blessed be the name of the Lord.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have everyone received their voting cards? Okay, just a second that our sister will come up to begin the voting. Thank you very much, thank you very much.
Not finished yet. I will never lay on you load too heavy to carry. Both temptation come as your way that is greater than you. Never lift you up and throw you down. Never lay on you, load too heavy to carry. Never lay on you, load too heavy to carry. I will never lay on you, load too heavy to carry. But temptation comes your way that is greater than you. Never lift you up and throw you down.
Thank you, Mr. Richard. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What a wonderful song.
Awesome.
That is one of the many talents of Biafrans. That is really awesome. Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Prime Minister, sir, the votes are casted. And we have 300 votes, 100% yes.
Once he comes, we can. Yes. So once he comes, then we can put it up.
We support to go. Leave us, we should go. Let the world leave us to go. Your problem, I'm asking you to know. Let's go to farm. Hands on, hands on. Let's go to the farm. Farm now. Farm now. I do not. You know, if you want to handle that place, I'm a deal, but I'm not. Someone on that.
And Martina Yaka on the dog be a bell. Oh, don't pick up on your dinner. Martin Ambicano, Akinakwa, a Biafra, a Biafra, ECD Go, a Biafra, Dicatata, Agana, Ijon Land, Kakano, Biao, Efio, Apumano, Agela, a Delta State, Kakanesi, again, Akanapi Wabe, Ijo, the Kakanata. Paripe and people see when Biafra. Only got table for a woman of Biafra.
We are Biafra. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of us people that believe in Biafra. This is Biafra. We are live and direct. I want to appreciate our leader, Martin Nandekano, who has made it possible for us to realize who we are and for making us to go back to our roots.
Back home here in Ijon Nation, supporting Mazi Simon Ekpa at Finland. Our Ijon brothers, our Ijon sisters, our Ijon mothers, our Ijon fathers. Come join Simon Ekpa at Finland with us back home here. We need referendum. We need referendum. Our sisters, our brothers, the youths, we need referendum. Join Simon Ekpa as Simon Ekpa go on with the retreat today. Let's join hands together as we need referendum. Please, are we not tired of the Fulanis taking over our national resources? We need referendum. Are we not tired of low employment? We need referendum. Are we not tired of how the Fulanis are treating us, killing us, raping the women, killing our youths? Please, we need referendum. Biafra is Ijo, Ijo is Biafra. We own the Biafra.
Sisi, akwafa kame tekatem. Sorry. Ayi basiza ya baba fakoma Nana wasiza yo baba fakoma yetama. Benefe baba faye moga 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 mama kura mosa batumi beni pere tumi kababa maname.
To BIAFRA, consecrated nation, oh Fatherland, peace be our solemn pledge, defending dreams shall be our dedication.
you must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who's doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, absolutely fantastic job. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Now the Prime Minister will present the identity card to us. Thank you.
So just let's do this. Please, you can be seated, please. Thank you. Like you all know, yesterday we opened the gate for Biafra freedom. Because we have adopted a document called Biafra Helsinki Declaration, which is the charter of the Confederating State of Biafra yesterday. That is the base for what we're going to be doing going forward. Today, we are going to not just, you're going to see wonders here today. Today, we will officially inaugurate the Biafra Liberation Army. They say we are just 17. They say Biafra Army is just 5. Today, we are going to also officially unveil the Biafra resistance fighters. Having voted, all the delegates here have voted for the Biafra de facto activation of the Biafra de facto government. It becomes law and becomes final. So today, I am announcing by the power conferred on me by the Biafra people as the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in Exile, the official activation of the Biafra de facto government in the homeland. Biafra! Those who have been appointed or voted into by the delegation of the Biafra from all over the world today in Finland know that to whom much is given, much is expected. It is a call to service. The service is not an ordinary service. It's a struggle and a liberation. It's a phase of the liberation of Biafra. It requires guts. When they say stop, that is when you should be moving. Freedom fighting is not something you use bread and butter to fight. You fight with stone. And I'm happy that I have a stone heart. I said, everything I am doing and everything I have done, I will stand to defend it anywhere, any day, anytime. You know, I do not know why we are different. Our natural resources is not subjected to scrutiny. They are not subjected to all manner of international agreement. They are not subjected to visa. They travel all the way from Biafra land, all over the world, visa-free. The worst part of this slavery of the Biafra people is that why the British, Britain, benefiting from our natural resources, using it to build their own country, they subject us to all manner of degrading treatment. We undergo the worst process to acquiring a visa to travel to the United Kingdom. Those who don't benefit anything, or who they don't benefit anything from, they have visa free to the United Kingdom. I am telling you, in Biafra, we are going to use what we have for the best interest of Biafra citizens. I want you to understand that Europe needs us more than we need them. America needs us more than we need them. And because we understand the value of whom we are, those people who parade themselves as leaders today in the evil entity called Nigeria don't understand this value, because they were never created for the interest of the people. It is now official that Biafra has a de facto government. They will take every activities as a normal government. We are going to tax Biafra people for Biafra liberation. The government will take responsibility for that. The Biafra government, de facto government in the homeland, will run a very transparent government. We have a government receipt. So whatever you do, it is going to be very, very transparent. And another thing is that we can't have a crime-free society without a database. Yes, Lord. So for that reason, from the charter of the Biafra Confederating State, I am presenting to you today the National Identity Card and Database of Biafra. Hello, hello. Biafra Republic. Biafra Republic. We are building our country from scratch. What you see here today is something that will go down in the history. When Singapore, South Korea started their journey, it was in a restaurant. They started the journey of South Korea in a restaurant. Today, many people are trooping into that country for a better life. Biafra is going to be the beginning of civilization in Africa. I have lived in Finland for a very long time. And I promised Biafrans one thing. I am bringing Finland to Biafra land. To eliminate crime, to eliminate forgery, to eliminate corruption,